Have you updated them on the crisis?
Yeah.
On our crisis this morning.
Would you like to elaborate?
Basically, I said to everyone in the morning, I came down to your room and I said, guys, are you ready to leave in 10 minutes? And then Ryan said, I need to take a fact. And I said, Enoch, are you ready to go? And he said, yeah, I'm ready to go. And then he lied because he was not ready to go, because I said, do you not have to take a fact? I was like, okay, well, we're going to leave in 10 minutes, if that's okay with everyone. So I went back upstairs and we were ready to go in 10 minutes. We came out and I was like, guys, I don't think we're going to make it. So then they left quickly and then we missed the tram. Then we were like, okay, we'll take the bus then. And then we didn't miss the bus. Got on the bus and then they had a bus changeover. We got on the tube. We didn't miss the tube, so that's good for us. But then we had to change tubes and then me and Ryan sprinted in the wrong direction.
They went over there. We were over there.
And it was...
No, not there. Behind the building, over there. Oh shit.
And we missed it. And then now we've just been sulking for, what, half an hour?
I'm sulking. I'm vibing.
They
don't slip, other than me.
And
this is, of course,
his phone
I cracked
on
my
the
phone.
void. Everyone in the circle, please. Don't make the inside dirty. Apart.
Okay, we'll just move over that side.
Neville, come in.
What the fuck?
Neville, come in more.
What do you want me to do? My shoes, eh? Oh, my shoes are messy.
Should I pretend like it's snowing?
No, no. Yeah, let's do it. This is fake snow. It's not real.
That's what snow looks like.
I wonder who did that. Yeah, my phone fell here somewhere. I mean, it was on the bumpy part. Guys, we missed the bus stop and we have to walk like half an hour to the location. We're about to cross this big ass road. Stay safe, guys. Is that a Tesla? Yeah, finally. Itchy Nissan. Arigato. Oh my days, he's safety crossed. Oh, they're about to get killed. Yeah, I don't think we can walk on the ice.
Bruh.
That's solid.
Yo, that's doable.
That's solid. Oh shit.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah. Did a running man. Did a running man.
We have the 30-minute rule now.
No, why don't we just go?
What's up, guys? We out here in Stockholm, just visited the palace, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna do a fit check. We have Enoch here. He's waiting at the bus stop, looking kind of drippy.
Give me on your good side, baby, with your angle.
Oh, hey, I can see you there.
Good time, tell me what's your table. Numbers on the neck again, you'll be going lap them. In the set, one
Glasses, 20 Hong Kong dollars. No, 200 Hong Kong dollars. North Face are 180. Pull-up-Bear, Goku, I don't know, like $25, £25.
Yeah.
Levi's.
Got the Levi.
Got the Primark jeans, got the Moxley, thermals.
Any jewelry, any jewelry.
My chain.
Diamonds on the wrist, diamonds on the neck.
What's the bus saying?
It's here. What's up, guys? We're in Mackie D's in Sweden. And if you download the app, you can get so many discounts. What did you get? A cheeseburger?
What's that called?
Big tasty.
Big tasty.
No, tasty cheese.
It looks like a cheeseburger.
Tasty cheese.
Let me turn the camera around.
Tasty cheese. That's
not
me,
burger.
Bob and Chris. He's 6'2", 92 kg.
And then got Parmesan fries, basically.
That's just me flexing on it.
There's no cheese? Oh, there is. Oh, it's at the bottom. Oh, that's why they did it
I'm
upside
literally
down.
just going on the
My bad.
I'm telling you, this woman thinks she's comparing me.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Noky here. It's snowing hella down in McDonald's in Brommerplan. But tonight we're gonna make some dumplings and some ramen. I'll see you guys back at home.
She's so old.
Bossman just gave me a lychee jelly for free. the machine wasn't working and I was the last person to pay, and it was like, you know what, you can keep it. So we just done our shopping and we are waiting for Rosie to come back with more wrappers. Oh wait, there she is.
Thai.
Sawadika.
Sawadee krap.
Sawadika.
Sawadee krap.
That's all I know. And I've gone to
Going home.
Look at the sky. Look how pretty it is.
Don't you think this view of the sky right now is those of the YouTube videos?
Can I get a bite? That was really sweet. Some?
Take a bite. That was the smallest bite.
I want a cut.
Okay. You want some?
Everyone's feeding me. I feel like a prince.
We out here in Sweden making dumplings. Everyone say hi. We have a few different types of dumpling makers here. So we've got Jing. Pretty good. Ryan, filling a whole village with one dumpling. Enoch, a master, as per usual. Amara, ooh, that's good. And Neville, who's just doing it as slow as possible so he doesn't have to do any work.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Noky here. It's day 4 in Stockholm. It's a beautiful day, blue skies and a little bit of clouds. So currently I'm heading to Brunsberg Bakery. Brunsberg Bakery. So originally we were gonna go to BC's cafe where we can have brunch, but I think it was like you have to wait for 1 hour. So we were like, okay, let's go to the bakery instead. So yeah. I'm on my way. I'll show you what the bread looks like there. See you in a bit. There's the bakery. Fresh bread, fresh pastry. What's up guys, it's your boy Noky here, and we just finished our cute little brunch at Frankenberg Bakery, and now we're currently gonna chill for a bit, and then we're gonna head back to Stockholm to go to the boat tour. Yeah, how's everyone? Có thế sao không? Kìa có ở酒店. We hope we can get on because our ticket was meant to be for yesterday, right? But it's a day late. If there's seats taking that is on, I think. He reports us.
So he's just waiting to see the capacity on today's boat because they said they're fully booked, and obviously we booked for yesterday, and I've already told you guys what happened yesterday. We're just gonna wait and see if it's gonna be full today, but I think it should be okay. Like, he's nice. His name is Isaac.
Over to Ryan for the weather. Nice. No cloud inside. What's that then? What's that? What's up guys? We're on the boat and we're going to tour the whole of Stockholm. And I'm gonna feel about this.
So ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome on board Stockholm and the Little Archipelago Tour. A tour that is going to take us into the inner part of the Stockholm Archipelago. But before we do that, we're going to see a bit of Stockholm. Hiding in Stockholm. But it used to be a royal hunting ground with the Swedish king going on in time. This is where the king hunted here. So,
Hi guys, it's your boy Noky here. We're now heading back to Stockholm by the boat. It's incredibly cold right now. It's like -2 degrees. My hands are cold. Mara's turning into Rita. Alright, I'll see you when we arrive on land. What's up guys, it's your boy Noky here on ground, and we just finished our boat tour. Why are you laughing? Yo, we're at Kofungan. About to eat some Thai food in my belly. Yeah. Let's go. That's what I'm saying. Hey yo, what's up guys? So we ended up leaving that Thai restaurant. It didn't look very authentic, I can't lie. But we're gonna go to a nearby Japanese restaurant, one closer to our accommodation. Sun's about to set, so it's almost golden hour. Our skin's looking fresh. Hello guys, we have finally arrived at H10 in the middle of absolutely nowhere. I have no idea where we are. Oh, they are spotted. They are, what are they talking about? Anyway. Why are we dancing to food? POV, you are the menu.
Get me on your good side, baby, what's your angle? Know it's just a good time, tell me what's your table. Numbers on the net again, yeah, we going lap them. In the set, one set, high tap dance, spin about the bands. Backstage, meet the band. press pass, head on my chest, I never messing, I'm never messy. Then